Hello, great CEOs of Hamster Kombat. Are you getting ready to, get your tokens once it get listed? The particular phase we are in now in Hamster Kombat is you connecting your wallet. Yes, connect your Hamster Kombat to a Ton wallet. Remember this, they have already announced they are going to list on Ton blockchain. Now, it's not just about connect, because a lot of people are going to show you how to connect. I'm going to show you that. But before you do that, there's something you must do. You must create a wallet on Telegram, a Ton wallet. Or the other way around is to have a Ton Keeper wallet installed in your phone. Let me quickly, in a brief now, show you exactly how to do these few things, each of them, before we go into connecting the wallets. So to set up your Ton wallet on Telegram, there's a new wallet on Telegram. If you can't see this wallet, please update your Telegram app. That means you are using an updated app. Now click on this area. You can see these three dots up here at the top left. Now click it, and you're going to see wallet. You see, you're seeing wallet. I've already set my own. So when you click on wallet, if you have not set your own, the system will ask you to agree to terms and conditions. And once you agree onto that, you just follow the prompt. You create your wallet and go to find yourself in a thing like this. So this is my wallet. This is my Ton wallet. Once Hamster Kombat token get listed, you're going to see that token as one of the tokens. So if you click on more assets, you're going to see Hamster Kombat token. Like here, you're having the Ton Space dollars. That's the USDT, the Ton coin, the Bitcoin, the Notcoin. You can see Notcoin is here because Notcoin also listed on this wallet. So you're going to see something like this. That means you are ready, you're prepared. Now, any question about, for some of us who always ask question of, okay, if I have my Hamster Kombat token, how do I convert it to recash? You always be there to ask us questions. We have videos that guide you on that. And that's one of the reasons why you have to subscribe to this channel, because you're going to see such videos. So if you need them at the time you need them, ask us questions. We're going to always supply it to you. So this is one of the things. Let this wallet be set. Very important. Then the next thing you're going to do is to have this particular app. Quickly. Look at this app. This is Ton Keeper app. Go to your Play Store and download this app. When you download it and set it up, the setting up is not difficult. The system will require from you to put in your passcode, which should be a 4-digit number. You also reaffirm it, and all that. You create your wallet. If you want to save the 12 key phrase, you can save it. So let me open it so that you can see what it looks like. So this is it. So this is a Ton Keeper wallet. You can see everything is here now. If you want to look at the wallets here, look at the wallet. What is in the wallet for now is you are having Ton coin. Remember, Ton coin is the native token of the Ton blockchain. So like you see in that wallet in the Telegram, you saw it there too. Now this is the USDT also, what Telegram wallet costs dollars. So once Hamster Kombat list, you're going to find it in this particular wallet. You're going to find it here. So the same way you convert, when it comes to that, we're going to do it. So make sure you have this. Once you have this, let me now show you how to connect your wallet from your Hamster Kombat. Let's go there right now. Okay, to connect this, you're going to click on airdrop. Look at it, this page, airdrop. Click on it. Now, for some of us before now, this particular area wasn't activated, but it's now activated for everyone. Connect your Ton wallet. So you click on this place. Are you getting it? Connect your Ton wallet. Say connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one in your Telegram account. So I'm going to click on connect your Ton wallet here now. I click on it. Now look at it. The system already, I have the one I have on Telegram. It's already here. And now the system is telling me, do I want to use the one on Telegram, or do I want to, use any of this, like this Ton Keeper or my Ton wallet or Ton Hub or the wallet. These are wallets you can download from the Play Store. But one of the ones that's so reliable, that's why I talked about, is Ton Keeper. So even if you have this, if you don't want to use this, please use Ton Keeper. You can still use this, you can see this and all that. But please, if you are not using this one, use Ton Keeper. Very important. But I think I'm going to use the one on Telegram. That's for me for now. I did this because I had to tell you about talking about in case for those who are saying I can't find wallets in my Telegram and all that. So I'm using this one. So it's already created. So I click on it. You can see it's coming up. Once it connects, the system is going to tell me that I'm now connected. You can see it's a Hamster Kombat wants to connect to this. I say yes, connect wallet. I ask it to connect. The app won't be able to move funds from without your permission, but you can view it. It's now connected. Let me go back to Hamster Kombat. It's there. So my wallet is now connected. So when the system starts distributing, instantly it will be distributed. So everyone, you need to do this. It's very, very important that you do this at a time like this. Let me quickly see. It's already here and it's connected. So nothing else to do for now. This is my wallet address. So I've been able to do this. Follow this video right now and do exactly this. After watching this, please share in your group where you belong. Let people watch this video and do the same thing. We're waiting for Hamster Kombat Listing and it's going to be great. We don't want anyone to miss it. After all this tapping, making them to grow their YouTube channel in their millions, and we have done so much for Hamster Kombat. No corner have come close and nobody can afford to miss it from here. If you are new to our channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.